Shining Sumac, Ruscopolinum, also known as dwarf sumac or flame-leaf sumac, is a deciduous shrub native to North America. It's valued for its attractive foliage and vibrant fall colors. Here's how to plant and grow shining sumac. 1. Choosing a planting location. Shining sumac thrives in well-drained soil and prefers full sun to partial shade. It's adaptable to various soil types, including sandy, loamy, and rocky soils. 2. Planting. Plant shining sumac in the spring or fall when the weather is mild. Dig a hole that is slightly larger than the root ball of the plant. Place the shrub in the hole at the same depth it was in the nursery container. Backfill the hole with soil and gently tamp it down to remove air pockets. Water the plant thoroughly after planting. 3. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged during the first growing season to help the plant establish its root system. Once established, shining sumac is relatively drought tolerant and doesn't require as much water. However, regular watering during dry periods can promote better growth and fall color. 4. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the shrub to help retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Keep the mulch away from the base of the plant to prevent moisture buildup against the stem. 5. Pruning. Shining sumac doesn't require extensive pruning. However, you can prune to shape the shrub or remove dead or diseased branches in late winter or early spring before new growth begins. 6. Fertilizing. Shining sumac usually doesn't require much fertilization if planted in nutrient-rich soil. You can incorporate a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in the spring if the growth seems slow or the foliage appears pale. 7. Fall color. One of the main attractions of shining sumac is its stunning fall foliage. The leaves turn shades of orange, red, and purple before dropping for the winter. 8. Pest and disease management. Shining sumac is generally resistant to many pests and diseases. However, keeping the plant healthy through proper watering and maintenance will help prevent potential issues. 9. Spread and growth. Shining sumac can spread through underground runners, so it may form colonies over time. Keep this in mind when selecting its planting location. 10. Wildlife benefits. The berries of shining sumac are attractive to birds, providing a food source for wildlife. Remember that it's important to consult with local gardening resources or experts to tailor your care to the specific conditions of your region. Properly caring for your shining sumac will ensure it thrives and adds beauty to your landscape.